Kate Ingham is a lady from Bowral in New South Wales. She joined the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs 3 years ago and now makes close to $100,000 a month selling things on Amazon. In this video, she's going to give you an amazing tip to help you remove hijackers from your listing. Now, if you like this kind of information where we're helping you build your own Amazon business right here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and that way we'll know that you want more information like this. Also consider subscribing to this YouTube channel because we post brand new information each and every day all about helping you make more money online. If you've got any questions or comments, be sure to comment below. I respond and answer to each and every comment that's there. All right, let's get into it with Kate.
A couple of my clients who had gone through the Seller Central photography service and got photographs from our team and had used the copywriting services of our team went on to have set up their Amazon listings, and both of them went on and set up eBay listings. Now, the eBay listings are they've used the same materials that they used from their Amazon listing, and both of them were hijacked immediately because the quality of their images is good and the copy is very good. And in one of them, one of the images, my daughter and I had both modeled the product, and so there were also images of my daughter and I. So actually an interesting strategy, but as the provider of the photographs and the copy, I went into the seller and said, I am the copyright owner of this material. I have licensed that to the seller. You have stolen that material. This is a legal issue. You have no right to use it. Remove it immediately. And I'm reporting it immediately to eBay. And both had their materials removed immediately, which I thought was quite effective.
It's a really creative way of approaching that.
Yeah, I was not going in as the seller. So the seller, sometimes feels nervous about jeopardizing their listing with a platform. I was going in as a bolshy service provider, which I thought was interesting.
Yeah, very clever way of doing it.
Yeah, another situation occurred, which a client said the other day, and I thought everybody would be quite interested to hear this story. It was on Amazon. She was selling had been previously a diamond coach and had used one of the diamond products, had built a product. It was a gift set for men. And she had a price between I think something like around $40. A drop shipper from eBay came in and started selling the product using all her collateral and materials and what have you, and was selling it for $85. Now, it was the lead up to Father's Day. She thought, bugger that, and I'm going to get the margin, not them. And so she put her price up to $85 and kept selling the product. And then the drop shipper, unimpressed with that, still wanted to sell the product and put it up to $125. And she thought, bugger that, I'm going for the full margin. And she put it up to $125 and sold out.
So just to clarify then, because this sounds extraordinary. So it's a product.
It's a classic.
Aimed at as a gift thing for guys, and it started off at $45. Is that right?
Around that price, yep.
And then the drop shipper comes in, starts drop shipping it at 85.
85,
so she puts her price up. Sales don't change.
That's right.
And then again,
well, it was getting closer to Father's Day. And the
okay.
thing that she had done was that she had branded it really nicely, and it did look like a quality product. So the fact that it went up in price probably put it into premium space where people were buying a premium product for their father. And then it went into super premium price when she put it up to 125 and sold out.
Wowzers. So it made an
Isn't that
extra
a classic?
it's a brilliant story. An extra $80 a sale with no adverse effect is just fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought that was interesting. It was obviously leading up to a gift season, and her product looked more premium quality than the competitors. She did a lovely job in terms of the branding and positioning of it, and the caliber of the images and the copy and what have you was superior. So people saw it as a quality offer.
I love it. That's a great story, Kate. Thank you for that.
That's all right.
That's an awesome tip. Thanks so much for that, by the way. That's a very, very creative way of approaching the hijacker problem. And as you say, to come in from being a bolshy kind of service provider really takes all of the pressure off of the seller. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia with combined sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and come along and join us, check out the link below, which is www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, or you can just Google Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and you'll find us that way. All right, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.